Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fazri. I am from 12th grade Gaharu. Here I will present the result of my report yesterday entitled The National Defense and Security System. Chapter 1 Introduction. Research background. The Universal People Defense System is the state defense system used in Indonesia. The system includes the resistance of the universal people in the face of threats to the safety of the nation and state. The People Defense and Security System is also based on responsibility for the rights and obligations of citizens, confidence in one's own strength, and belief in victory and annihilating both in surrender and territory. The defense of the state itself prepared with the principle of democracy, human rights, general welfare, the environment, provision of national and international law, international custom, and the principle of peaceful exotics by taking into account the condition of Indonesia as an archipelagic country. Not only that, national defense also pays attention to the principles of independence, sovereignty, and social justice. In the Universal People's Defense and Security System, the function of the people is as a supporting force. Research question 1. What are Indonesian efforts to obtain a strong defense and security system? 2. Mention the extinct defense and security system in Indonesia. 3. By obtaining a strong defense and security system, is Indonesia a safe country? Chapter 2 Theoretical Review Method. The objective of research. 1. To know what a defense and security system is. To find out about Indonesia efforts in obtaining a strong defense and security system. To find out the advantages and disadvantages of the defense and security system in Indonesia. The method of the research. The author used a research methodology through internet data. In this study, the authors searched for sources through the internet and collect them. The study discussed the defense and security system. The data analysis. The author describes the role and function of the defense and security system by reading documents and other data sources carefully. Then explain what a defense and security system is by reading, searching, and collecting data sources by visiting libraries, news and visiting websites on the internet that contain information related to defense and security system. The instrument of the research. The research instrument is the outdoor construct that from document that taken from several sources in news to obtain the required data. The place of the research. The author conducted this research at Bengkulu. Chapter 3. Research Finding. The third millennium is marked by fundamental phenomena that change political, security, and defense discourse. That phenomenon is development technology, the wave of democratization, the interdependence of relations between nations, together with the complexities of domestic politics, all of that affects the national security of a country. Therefore, the transition from an authoritarian state to a democracy requires various arguments reenact the laws governing national security. Efforts to get a strong national security and resilience system. Improving national defense and security is one of the ideals of the Indonesian state, which has not been fully realized. If viewed from the quantity perspective, Indonesia is indeed large, but in terms of quality, there are still many defense equipment that must enter the renewal stage and even be retrieved and replaced with new ones. The existing defense and security system in Indonesia. In Indonesia, the system and state resilience that is universal in nature is included in a fairly strong state defense system. 1. Populace, namely the orientation of state and security dedicated by and for the benefit of all the people. 2. The universality is that all national resources are utilized for defense efforts. Can a strong defense system make Indonesia safe? According to the author, even a strong state defense system cannot guarantee property of security for the Indonesian nation, because the defense system in itself that must be anti-patched is a threat from within the country itself. Currently, the dynamics of national life are very dynamic but counterproductive for strengthening national insight. Chapter 4. Conclusion and Suggestion. 1. Conclusion. From the result that the outdoor gate or country resilience system is already good, but it needs to be improved again, because to get a strong country, it is not only the TNI and Polri that are relied on, but the entire Indonesia nation must participate in maintaining or improving our country resilience system. 2. Suggestion. According to the data obtained and which have been studied by the author, the right advice to improve the country resilience and security system is by involving the community as well as in defending the country. Especially the younger generation is expected to be more active in preparing themselves for the name of contributing to the development of the Indonesian nation. And revenge. Kemham. That's all from me. If there are shortcomings, I apologize. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.